An expert says that North Korea's nukes are a lot more advanced than expected, and it is believed that they may have the capability to bomb New York City. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know here for you on IO. Welcome back to InformOverload, I'm Charlotte Dobre. I think we would all like to think that North Korea's nuclear program is not technologically advanced enough to attack a major city across the water. But earlier this month, North Korea announced the completion of its first ever successful intercontinental ballistic missile launch. North Koreans celebrated this launch with a giant concert and a televised simulation of the missile destroying the United States. Previously, it was believed that North Korea would only be able to strike Alaska, but one expert is warning that the danger is much worse than that. According to Jeffrey Lewis, a professor at the James Martin Center for Non-Proliferation Studies, spoke about the recent nuclear test on his podcast, Arms Control Wonk. He said, "This one could hit the United States with a nuclear weapon. People keep saying Alaska, but that's people making themselves feel better. So just because the missile demonstrated that it can reach Alaska, that doesn't mean that's as far as it can go. According to models, this missile is a lot better than that." The test launch went 7 times higher than the International Space Station. North Korea claims to have the technology to strike mainland America, most specifically New York. It isn't just one expert that's warning that North Korea's nuclear capabilities might be a lot worse than we thought. General Selva says North Korea has the range to reach the US. Whether or not they can do this with a degree of accuracy is another thing. This is what the US Joint Chiefs Staff spokesperson said this past Tuesday. While its missiles have the range, they lack the necessary guidance capability. So in other words, they can launch the missile and it can go pretty far, but that missile still needs to have the capability of reaching its target. Regardless, are we really willing to wait for North Korea's missiles to become more accurate, or are we going to do something about it before it's too late? That is all for now. Thanks for watching IO.